I'm going to add a cup of whole wheat flour. I'm going to add in the coconut flour, the cornmeal, and the flax meal, the baking powder. I'm also going to add the sugar. I'm going to start to combine all the ingredients with a whisk. I'll make a little welt in between. Here I have some soy milk. I added a little bit of lemon. I'm going to pour it into the batter and I'm going to stir. It's a little thick, so I'm going to add more non-dairy milk. I'm using soy milk. Oops. I'm going to add a little bit more of the lemon juice so it can have a slight tang. I'm going to add the batter. And we bake. And after about 20 minutes, our pineapple upside down loaf cake is done. Okay, so I'm going to allow it to cool completely. So I need to mold the cake so it can completely cool properly. So we've got to remove it from the mold. Okay, I'm just gonna use this. Oh wow, look at that gorgeous pineapple loaf thing. Now I'm gonna allow this to cool completely overnight. And we're going to just make it so much better tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow. Now you can leave this beautiful pineapple loaf cake just like this and it'll taste fantastic with your delicious coffee or milk in the morning. But I'm going to add some custard cream in the middle. So into a saucepan, I'm going to add a cup and a half of some non-dairy milk. I'm using soy milk. I love the creaminess. Then I'm going to add some sugar and some vanilla. And I'm going to transfer this milk to the stovetop and bring it to a boil. Then I'm going to add my cornstarch slurry and thicken it up. Meet you back with the assembling. And some of that. And we'll do a little trimming if we have to. I'm just hoping it stays together. Like this, we could just do a little bit of molding here, like that. Okay. Okay. And then just this, cleaned up, cleaned up. Oh wow, look at this delicious looking cake. So I'm gonna add a little jam. You could add the cherries if you want. I just feel like the cherries are too processed. I don't like the cherries. I'd rather put little jam. This is just real fruit jam, so I like it. It's kind of hard to find, so I understand if you need to make your own or buy just a regular one. Pineapple delicious cake. So I want to try this cake, and I'm gonna try it in the pan because it's only my cooties. So, oh my god, I'm so excited for this because I just know it's a good combination. It's got the custard cream, it's got the pineapple, the delicious cake batter, it's got the jam on top. I know it's gonna be good. Mm. And I'm making my pastries a lot more sweeter now. I want them to have a flavor of sweetness, but not so indulgent. Mm. This cake is good. I'm not gonna lie, but it could be a little bit more cakey and airy and less dense. It's a bit dense. I want to be honest with you and let you know it's a bit dense, but it's very cakey. It's good. Mm. Sweet. It's got all the markers. The pineapple, custard cream sauce, and cake. Very good combination. It's the type of dessert that really is very enjoyable. It's got all the markers that I've always looked for and a lot of chefs look for. It's got the creaminess from the custard cream sauce. It's got the freshness from the pineapple, freshness from the jam, and that richness, cakey feel of the cake. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. This is a good one. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Mmm, so yummy.